Amid some muted grumblings about the Jamaica Football Federation's announcement that Jamaica will play a friendly international against Antigua at Sabina Park on the next FIFA date. People are saying, why are we playing Antigua? What happened to Mexico and the USA and Costa Rica and even Argentina and Brazil, where we are going with Antigua? But guess what? The Maverick will defend the JFF president, Mr. Michael Ricketts, on this one. For sure, we would prefer to drop a big team inside the National Stadium, where incidentally, we have not played a friendly for over 5 years. But the next FIFA date is Champs Weekend, so the stadium is unavailable. And we cannot play a big team anywhere else except the stadium. It wouldn't make no sense. But even then, regardless of who the opposition is, we have to applaud the intent. And who knows, with the World Cup qualifying coming around again, we might need to negotiate teams like Antigua. So this practice game might well become useful. Instead of being inactive, make we play Antigua and give them 6 if we can. Get the players used to playing at home again and re-engage and reconnect with the local fans. You all realize that in the last World Cup campaign, Jamaica dropped out at the semi-final round because of our atrocious home record. We got 1 point from a possible 12. And that is inexcusable in football. You have to cash in on your home advantage. So good move you here, Mr. Ricketts. What do you mean? One thing though, Mr. President. When we hear about Antigua and Barbuda at Sabina Park, me not lie, the first thing come to my mind, I wonder if a 2020 or ODI. Me not lie. Me think